Hello kids, an awesome morning to everyone. Your class third and subject which we are going to study is maths. And kids, you remember? Yes, we had started with a new chapter 13, measuring lengths. Come on kids, let's do a quick recap of what all we have done under this chapter. We had learned about what is meter, centimeter, kilometers. As you know that centimeter is the smallest unit of measuring length and kilometer is the largest unit. Very good kids. Now today we are going to learn that how to do addition. For addition kids, always keep in mind that meters will be added with meters, centimeters will be added with centimeters and kilometers will be added with kilometers. Okay. Again kids, let's revise with the formulas. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter and 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. Very good kids. Okay. So kids, now every one of you go and get your maths discovering book. In that you have to open page number 162. Today we are going to do practice zone 3. You have to add the kilometer and the meter. It is 45 kilometer, 312 meter plus 24 kilometer and 284 meter. So kids, we will start adding from the meters. 2 plus 4 is 6, 8 plus 1 is 9, 3 plus 2 is 5, 5 plus 4 9 and 4 plus 2 is 6. So kids, what is the answer? 69 kilometers, 596 meters. Understood? You have to keep in mind that the kilometers, you have to add kilometer with kilometer, meters with meters, and if the units is in centimeter, you have to add centimeter with centimeter. Okay kids, now let's do one subtraction sum also. Again you can see that I have written meters below one another and centimeters. It is, you have to subtract 24 meters, 45 centimeters from 65 meter and 78 centimeter. So we will start subtracting from centimeters. 8 minus 5 is 3 and 7 minus 4 is 3. 5 minus 4 is 1. 6 minus 2 is 4. So what is the answer we get? 41 meters and 33 centimeters. Okay kids. So I hope you have understood. So this way you are going to solve practice zone 3. You have to solve it in your book only. Okay kids. Okay kids, now let's move on to word problem sums. Practice zone 4. The first one. The heights of two buildings are 5 meter, 25 centimeter and 7 meter, 85 centimeter respectively. Find the difference in their heights. Here they have given us heights of two buildings. One is taller. So you have to find the difference in their height. How you are going to find difference? Yes, the building which is taller, you have to subtract the building which is small from it. Yes. So how are you going to write the statements? Height of the first building is equal to 5 meter, 25 centimeter. Height of the second building is 7 meter and 85 centimeter. So which building is taller? The second building. So you have to subtract the first building from the second one. Difference in their height is equal to 7 meter, 85 centimeter minus 5 meter, 25 centimeter. So how are you going to solve it kids? Here you are going to write meter and you are going to write centimeter, then 785 minus 525. So what is the difference? It is 2 meter and 2 meter 60 centimeter. What is the difference? It is 2 meter 60 centimeter. So kids, this problem you have to solve in your maths copy. Okay kids. Now let's move on to the second sum. Anju had 5 meter 30 centimeter of red ribbon and 34 meter 45 centimeter of blue ribbon. How much ribbon does she have in all? Kids, here you have to do addition, because here you have to add the quantity of red and blue ribbon. Then only you will come to know total how much ribbon does she has. So here we are going to do addition. Now moving on to the third one. Sohail is 1 meter 30 centimeter tall and his sister is 1 meter 49 centimeter tall. Find their total height. Again kids, here we are going to do addition, because height of Sohail and his sister is given. So and what's the question asking? That you have to find the total height. So how you will come to know about the total height? When you add the height of Sohail and height of his sister. Okay kids, now let's move. Now the next one. Ravi's house is 20 kilometers away from the school. This is Ravi's house. Okay, and this is school. Okay, so what is the distance? It is 20 kilometer. Whose house is this? Ravi's house. Okay, and what it is second? Rahul's house is 6 kilometer 180 meter. Now this is Rahul's house. Whose house it is? Rahul's house. It is 6 kilometer and 180 meter. So kids, how are you going to solve it? Here we will see that 20 kilometers, 20 is more and 6 kilometer is less. So whose house is nearer to the school? It is Rahul's house, because 6 is smaller than 20. Okay, understood? Okay kids. Now let's move to the last sum. Out of 1,225 kilometer 250 meter, a bus covered a distance of 842 kilometer 450 meters. What is the remaining distance that the bus has to cover? Okay kids, come on now, let's solve this sum. Total distance is 1,225 kilometers 250 meters. Distance covered by bus is equal to 842 kilometer and 450 meter. Remaining distance to cover is equal to the total distance minus the distance which the bus has covered till now. So what will be the remaining distance? You have to subtract the distance covered from the total distance. What is the distance we get? 382 kilometers and 800 meters. After solving the sum, the remaining distance which we get is 382 82 kilometers 800 meters. This is the distance remaining for the bus to cover. Okay kids, I hope you have understood. Okay, this is enough for the day. Now we will meet in our next class. Till then, you take good care of yourselves. Bye bye. Take care.